Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to view the YouTube desktop site from your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently in the YouTube mobile app on my mobile device, but I want to be able to view YouTube on the desktop site. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to the Google Chrome app. Then next, once I'm actually in the Google Chrome app, I'm going to type in the web address of youtube.com. Now once that's loaded, I'm still on the mobile version of the YouTube website. So all I need to do is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then scroll down and you'll see the option that says desktop site. So make sure that box is ticked. And that's all it takes to view the YouTube desktop site from your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.